Garlic is used widely as a flavoring in cooking. But it has also been used as a medicine throughout ancient and modern history. It has been taken to prevent and treat a wide range of conditions and diseases. Garlic is loaded with good-for-you vitamins and minerals like manganese, selenium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and other antioxidants, including allicin. Now modern medicine is embracing garlic's healing properties too. A recent study reports that eating garlic may work to relax blood vessels and increase blood flow. So grab the freshest garlic cloves you can find and add them to your daily diet to reap these benefits for your body. 5 Health Benefits of Garlic. 5. The blood purifier. Tired of covering up those zits with concealer every morning? It's time to tackle the root cause of acne by purifying your blood from the inside to get healthy skin on the outside. Take 2 cloves of raw garlic with some warm water every day. Early in the morning and consume a lot of water the entire day. If you're looking to shed some pounds, squeeze the juice of half a lemon in a glass of lukewarm water and have it with 2 cloves of garlic in the mornings. Garlic will help to cleanse your system and flush out toxins. 4. Lower cholesterol. Garlic can also reduce cardiovascular disease risk by lowering your cholesterol. A group of study participants that took a garlic supplement saw their cholesterol levels go down over a period of 5 months. The key here is commitment. Like many natural remedies, it takes a while for the benefits of garlic to kick in. Because you have to let the vitamins and minerals build up in your body. But adding garlic to your daily routine is a healthy way to develop a lifelong habit that can benefit your health year after year. 3. For skin and hair. The invigorating properties of garlic protect the skin from the effect of free radicals and slow down the depletion of collagen, which leads to loss of elasticity in aging skin. Applied topically, garlic does wonders to skin infected with fungal infections and provides relief from skin ailments like eczema. It is also an effective remedy for fungal infections like athlete's foot and ringworms. All of us know about the wonders of onion for hair, but its brother, garlic, is no less of a hero for your thinning mane. Well, it's surprise time. Rubbing crushed garlic extract on your scalp or massaging it with garlic-infused oil is known to prevent and even reverse hair loss. 2. Reduced risk of heart disease. Garlic is a natural at reducing heart disease risk because it lowers cholesterol and blood pressure. It's also great at reducing your risk of heart disease by relaxing hardened blood vessels and preventing platelet aggregation. How does it work? Garlic increases the production of nitric oxide, which keeps blood vessels relaxed. It also prevents platelets from binding to proteins, which reduces blood clots. When it comes to heart disease help, garlic's got you covered. 1. Improved memory. Damage from free radicals contributes to aging. But garlic contains a powerful antioxidant to help battle that, S-allylcysteine. This antioxidant shows promise in protecting against brain damage and keeping your brain functioning better as you age. It works by increasing your brain's blood flow thanks to garlic's ability to lower cholesterol and blood pressure. This means a reduced risk of brain disorders like dementia and Alzheimer's disease. If you found this video is helpful to you, please hit subscribe button and share it with your dearest one.